SCON Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in the BTM Layout area of Bangalore. With their expertise in the field of 3D scanning, SCON Design has become a trusted name in the industry. Their state-of-the-art technology and skilled team enable them to offer high-quality scanning services to their clients. When it comes to 3D scanning services, SCON Design stands out from the competition. They have invested in the latest scanning equipment and software, which allows them to capture accurate and detailed scans of various objects and surfaces. Whether it is for product design, reverse engineering, or quality control, SCON Design can provide the necessary scanning services to meet the specific needs of their clients. One of the key advantages of choosing SCON Design for 3D scanning services is their location in BTM Layout, Bangalore. This strategic location enables them to serve clients not only in the local area but also in other parts of Bangalore. This makes it convenient for businesses and individuals who are looking for reliable and efficient 3D scanning services. SCON Design offers a wide range of 3D scanning services to cater to various industries and applications. Whether it is for automotive, aerospace, medical, or consumer goods, they have the capabilities to handle diverse projects. Overall, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a reliable and professional provider of 3D scanning services in BTM Layout, Bangalore. With their advanced technology, skilled team, and commitment to customer satisfaction, they have established themselves as a trusted name in the industry. Whether you are looking for accurate scans for product development or need assistance with reverse engineering, SCON Design has the expertise to meet your needs. Contact them today to discuss your project requirements and experience their top-notch 3D scanning services. SCON Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in BTM Layout, Bangalore. With a team of skilled professionals and state-of-the-art technology, SCON Design is committed to delivering high-quality and accurate 3D scanning solutions to its clients. Whether it is for industrial, architectural, or artistic purposes, SCON Design has the expertise and resources to cater to diverse scanning needs. This process involves capturing the physical shape and dimensions of an object or space using advanced scanning technology. The scan data is then converted into a digital format, which can be used for various applications such as reverse engineering, quality control, virtual reality, and more. By utilizing cutting-edge equipment and software, SCON Design ensures precise and detailed scans that meet the highest industry standards. SCON Design's 3D scanning services are particularly beneficial for industries such as manufacturing,